in the second part of making a 3D game or a 3D engine. So last time we have coded this player, and now we are going to code this render. So the first thing we are going to do is make a block and call it render, and remember the refresh. Okay, so defining render, we have to say go to x, let's say minus 240 or minus 236, and that is 180. So set pen size, we are going to in pen blocks and say set pen size to quality, and in operators plus quality plus 1, and we have to set the pen color in pen blocks. Set pen color to any color we want. Let's say I want this color here, I want this brown. Here's the brown. Okay, I want this color, and we have to also erase all and up and up. So what I'm going to do is in variables set the I variable we have choose to length. Where is that? Length of distances, and repeat. We're going to repeat, duplicate this thing, repeat length of distances, set pen size, we say, okay, where is that? Okay, here it is. Set pen size to, we say, divide, no, multiply, sorry, multiply, and make a divide, make a plus, let's say plus, and divide here. I say here is 1, here will be 2, here will be 3, and here will be our length item, sorry, here will be our, sorry, item I, let me take that, item I of distances. Let's say we have to set the size to this. So what I'm going to do is set the y, set y to item 1 of distances. I just copy that and pen down. We are going to this and say pen down. So now again we're going to set the y to, okay, so what we're going to set the y is that in operator minus sign and in plus sign here. Here will be 0, and here will be like item 1, and here will be like 3. Okay, so 4 is best. So we say also say like pen up. After that we have to say that pen up. Now we have to change the I, which is change I, sorry, change I by minus 1, sorry, minus 1, and change x by quality. We have to say change x by, in the variables, quality. So now what are we going to do? You know, when we have to make another block which is sense, which is also going to be sense. Okay, so we are going to defining the sense, which will be sensing. So what are we going to do in variables list is we are going to delete all of distances. Now what are we going to do? Set distance to 0. We are going to set distance to 0 and set FOV, which is the variable, send FVO to divide, make a divide 240 minus quality. So now what I'm going to do is repeat and make a multiplication and just duplicate this, sorry, here, and here will be like into 2. So in the repeat block I am just going to repeat that, and we're going to set the distance to like 60 or 59. I will take 60, and we have to say that go to player. Now also point in direction FOV plus direction of player. Going to this and this. Now in the variables FVO plus, okay, here in the sensing I am player, and that will be the direction of player. Now we will say also a repeat until here. We'll take a repeat until here, and we will take in operators we will take an OR, and touching world, repeat until touching world or 0. Wait a minute, 0. Okay, so that is like 0 is equals to, 0 equals to distance. 0 equals to distance. So move one step and change direction. We have to move one step and change the direction, change distance by -1, and add distance to distances. Now add distance to distances and change FOV, change FVO by -1. So for using all these, we are going to say when I receive move, go to my blocks and render and sense. That's all for this tutorial. Meet you in the third part. In third part, we're going to using the world, a simple, and testing out our project.